Hello, it's Ed with Slow Car Fix, and today something different. Today we are going to do a little upgrade on the shop and fix a problem that I've been having since we built it. And I have Jacob here to help me. This is the Jacob. That was the Jacob. It's my son. Hey, you broke it. Yeah, you can't. You can't hang things on that. On that hook that's for hanging things, you can't hang things on it. There's another one over there. There's another one over there.
No nails in there.
Yeah, I know. We missed that. So Jacob is the one that I keep going to see, and all my cars keep either getting smashed into or broken on the way there. Today we are going to fix my pot light situation because half of my pot lights are out because they are crap, Amazon stuff. And I will let you know which ones they are so you don't buy them. But we're going to replace them all today. All of them.
I guess so.
We have to put some cars outside to do that. Fortunately, it's not snowing. The other thing I have to do, hey, there's a spoiler alert, 55 Chevy fenders. I have to push this car on this cart backwards, and I have to tack weld it to that cart because it's going out of here soon. And it has to be affixed to the cart. This is the one that a gentleman is converting to an electric car. Yeah. So I guess we've got to take some cars out of here. Not all of them, though, I don't think. Some we can do. Probably do some from the lift. Probably do some from the lift, but we'll take some out of here. And then I have this thing where I've been working on my ground school. So we have to move that and all of the things, probably put slow bug outside and the 57 and maybe move some stuff around. Watt, 6,000 K, 6,000 Kelvin. That's the Kelvin reading. That's the color, right? And yeah, they're dimmable, they're insulation contact rated, and they're airtight. So my other ones that are in here are dimmable, but I think they're allegedly dimmable, but I don't ever dim them, and they've failed. So I think that part of this process we'll put a regular switch in there and just get rid of that dimmer switch. So these are pretty straightforward. These are just those push plugs.
Yep.
So that'll be easy. And we've only got like 100 of them to do.
Do you have these, or are we going to pull them out?
I think we're probably going to pull the knockouts out of those things. I know that makes it less. That shouldn't be too bad because you can just leave it right on the wire.
I think of plastic ones too. So
Oh yeah, well, I think
just go.
yeah, we'll see. Good. Well, you're safe. You're on the lift or something. That's the closest you've been to your car in a while. How's it look up there?
Dusty.
Yeah. This is Jacob's first car, this 65 Corvair Sedan. He drove it to high school. And then he's also getting some insulation fluff on his Mustang. This is his Mustang that belonged to both his grandfathers, now belongs to him. So he has storage at Slow Car for life until it's his, I guess. Don't drop anything on your car. We got half of them done. The old ones have these stainless steel bezels. They're 4,000 Kelvin, and the new ones are just a white bezel, and they're 6,000 Kelvin. So they're a whiter light. It's kind of bright. Jacob did the one on the mezzanine, and yeah, we're done. We, being him, has done half of them. Got some mess to clean up. I've got some stuff I'm going to take out to the sea can. It's just starting to snow here now, but Jacob is doing some adventure work on top of his car here. Don't scratch your car.
No zipper or nothing.
Okay. In the Rampside, I've had a bunch of people ask me to do like a review or like whatever, a tour of my Rampside. I haven't done that yet. It's just quit. It's warmed up enough. I will do that, but not this year because it's winter. Anyways, I'm using it to go around the yard right now and bring some stuff over to my storage container where I keep my parts, and yeah, gonna be on a bit of an angle here because I have to be. Haven't lost anything yet. I've driven this thing a lot, actually. I've drove it to the Chicago Corvair Convention, drove to Cleveland for the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame to see that. Had it for about 9 or 10 years. I'll do a full walk around on it. It's a 61. Yeah, I'll go through it with you guys a little later, maybe in the spring. It's a pretty nice truck. It's... Oh, grind them. It's definitely one that on the other part was because I like it too much. Okay, Jacob's still up there doing the thing. I gotta weld this car to this cart. I'm gonna just put a stitch right there on each side, and then one in the front right here. I'll just grind this rubberized crap off and then just put a tack there. I tried ratchet strapping it to it, and it doesn't stay on there, and this car has to go on a car trailer, on my car trailer, so I don't want the cart screwing off from underneath it. The other thing is, if you might have saw me struggling trying to push it, because all four wheels spin, and with all four wheels spinning, you don't really have any control at all. So I'm going to straighten the back ones and weld them straight, just put a tack on them. I can cut it off later if I need to or whatever, I don't care. But I'm going to weld them straight, so that way it's more like a shopping cart and it'll actually work. So Jacob's got, what do you got left? 2, 4, 6, 8 left. It's not bad. So I've welded this cart to the car and welded the wheels straight. Made a big giant mess, but it's okay. Have a look at this thing. This thing's pretty cool. Look at the interior. It's really weird. Whoever owned this at one time must be like an upholsterer or something, because it's very fancy. And the battery's disconnected now, but it has those window go up or downers things to where you just move it a little bit and it rolls the windows up. So that's kind of neat. And it's all pre-done for air conditioning and everything. So I think he's going to have electric AC in it. It's a 67. It's a pretty good car. We have, what do we got left, Jacob? Three Three lights left as he's dropping things on my car.
That's what the cloth is for.
Oh, I'm glad you put a cloth there. Thank you. So, yeah. I think it's going to be a good improvement. I think it's going to be a lot brighter, eh, Jacob?
I think so.
Jacob thinks so. The 4,000 Kelvin to 6,000 Kelvin, that makes a big difference. And also having all 24 of them working rather than just like 8 of them working, probably be pretty good. So I'm just sweeping up. We've got some debris from the blown in insulation. Any of that's kind of fell down while we were doing it. Yeah, this is all our old lights, and they're much the same as the new lights. They're just dated 2019 because they didn't last very long. So these ones are N Senior brand. I picked them because they were the best reviews on the Amazon. So they're supposed to be dimmable, but I got rid of the dimmer because I'm not sure if that might have been some of the problem. These also say they're dimmable. However, they didn't like to be dimmed. These say they're 900 lumens, 4,000 Kelvin. I think these are supposed to be more lumens than the ones that I just bought, because these ones are, I don't know what they are. Let's see. Brightness, doesn't say. These ones are 75 watts. I'm not sure how many lumens that is, but they're 6,000 Kelvin, and the other ones I had were 4,000 Kelvin, which was a little more yellow. This is a whiter light. So that's good. They've got a good range on the temperature, which is good, but my shop doesn't really get that cold. Oh, these are 750 lumens. What did I say these ones were? 900. So these should be brighter, but not... The old ones should be brighter, but the color is softer. So, I don't know. They're junk. So these ones should be less junk. We'll see. Are you ready, Jacob?
Yep.
All right, let's see. Oh, hey. That's a lot brighter than it was. Holy. Yeah, it's a little dusty in here, but I like it. That's yeah, the old lights were sort of the same tone as that motion light that's for my garage door. That's a lot brighter now. Huge difference. Cool. Thanks, kid. Let's put some junk back. Maybe take a picture. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Just something a little different. Just screwing around in the shop. Jacob. Just screwing around in the shop, and we've got some better lighting here. You like it?
Pretty bright.
Yeah. You think it's better?
Yeah. It's definitely lighter.
Yeah, half of them wore out, so it'll do that. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. See ya.